Hey guys, so today you're going to be completing the activity Understanding Your Digital Footprint. You will click on Schoology on the activity and it will open to the assignment. Right here you will see My Document. So you'll click here on your document and it will make you a copy of this, Understanding Your Digital Footprint. So what I would like for you to do is skip this yellow line here, because you're going to fill in all the space below it before you fill in your totals, and you'll understand why in just a second. So you're going to start with social media. Type the name of the social media accounts you are subscribed to or you want to be subscribed to, because I know not all of you are old enough to have accounts. So just type what you think you would like to subscribe to when you are old enough to have the account. Then you're going to type in what mobile apps you have. You're welcome to get out your phone and just type in any mobile apps you have and include that in this column. And then you're going to open your phone and you're going to actually go into settings to find your geolocation. So on your phone, you're going to open the Settings app and tap Privacy. Next, you're going to tap Location Services. The next screen will show you the apps that have or can access your location data. And I'd like for you to include all those here. And then the next column is what gaming websites do you have accounts on? And you'll put that here, even if it's not on your phone. Just put your gaming websites here. And then this is for any other websites or apps you have accounts on. So once you get that done, you're going to count the totals, and I'm going to show you the one that I've already created so you don't have to wait while I was doing this. And here is the chart that we're going to create in just a few minutes. So if you notice, I have, and I forgot to change the color of this. I made y'all's different after I made mine. So I have 8 social media accounts, and I filled these in after I filled in my actual accounts. And then mobile apps, I have, oh, that should be different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should be 7. And then 8, and then 7, and 4, and 5. And you are not going to have this here yet, so I'm going to delete this chart. So yours will look just like this. Okay, so how are you going to get that chart? Now you are going to select column B3, and you're going to drag over to column F, and then you're going to drag down to row 4. And it's highlighted columns B through F and rows 3 and 4. Okay? Now you're going to go up here to Insert and Chart. And here's your chart. You can make it a little smaller if you want, kind of like I did before, and put it wherever it fits. If you have lots of stuff here, more than I do, then you could always put it over here. But then you're going to go over here to Column Chart. Let me see if I have to push anything different. I think I have to right click on it. Yeah, right click on the when you're, make sure it's selected because it's got the blue box around it. Then right click on it and you're going to go to Chart Style and it will open this up for you. And you're going to click on Setup instead of Customize. It'll open as Customize and then you're going to click on Setup. And you're going to choose Pi, and you can either choose this one or this one or this one. It's up to you. I kind of like this 3D one. Oh my goodness, it just looks blue. Why doesn't it look like it looked before? You have to switch the rows and columns here, and that will fix your pie chart. So now it looks like a pie, and you will be finished. Now you need to click Submit, and this kind of gives you an idea of what your digital footprint looks like. Do you spend more time on social media, mobile apps, geolocation? You have a lot of apps that locate you with the geolocation tracker, gaming websites, and other. So this should give you an idea of where you're spending some of your time or most of your time. I hope you enjoyed.